worked in China for 2 years and I have encountered many IP issues of the European SMEs in China. The most common challenges that the European SMEs face in China in terms of protecting of their intellectual property is the lack of preparation for coming to China. Secondly, if the companies are infringed, if their intellectual property is infringed, they should take actions in order to enforce their rights.
I think the major challenge for European SMEs is absolutely to know all the aspects under which their IP right can be violated and to act in advance in order to protect them. This China Helpdesk is very useful in my opinion because very often many enterprises don't know that there are services for free offered by public institutions.
Today's event was extremely useful to set the directions of what we need to be looking at. So it's a good way for us to understand what are the main things that we need to be looking at, to afterwards discuss what are our own strategy, our own priorities, and make sure that we address those first, together with the help of the China IPR Helpdesk, which has already been very useful to us, to spend a lot of time with us to answer our questions, to tell us exactly where we need to focus at the beginning and help us set the first steps for better IPR protection.
I think for freelancers and small companies in China it is quite tough for copyright because of their budgets are very small. But at the same time they face the same issues as bigger companies. I think the event today was very nice. We've had some good cooperation with the IPR SME Helpdesk before, and what I really like is that it constantly gives you a possibility to get professional help and professional feedback on what you're doing in your daily business, and this is really useful for developing further.
I think the main challenge for us and for clients that we've worked with has been getting the right information, knowing where to get it. So what the help desk is doing, I think is very useful in that respect because it's kind of channeling people, to get the answers or see where they can get help in that respect. Today's event actually made me think about our own personal IP.
There's definitely quite a few things that I learned about IP and then its protection, since that's not my area of expertise. First, you need to protect your IP. If you have something real, you have to take care of it. Secondly, you need to do your homework to find out what the Chinese are doing in relation to your IP, and then find out whether there's real competition facing you. And of course there's the SME Helpdesk that can help you to navigate through the first few steps of getting yourself started in China.
IP right protection has been always in our list, but I believe it's a problem of quite many SME companies to set that as a priority issue. The help desk is helping to move this issue and this task up in the list for us.
The IPR protection in China is changing all the time. Now, I remember when the EU China Helpdesk arrived in China at about 2008, and things have changed tremendously since then, and I'm sure the Helpdesk has helped influence that for the benefit of European companies. When European companies think about protecting their IP, it very much depends on the IP they're endeavouring to protect. The first thing is to make sure it is unique, original and upholdable. The second thing to remember is it changes every day in China. So keep in contact with the help desk. They know what's going on. Most other people don't. So just please use the help desk.